Oh damn!
Oh,
no,
no.
no mercy heals. No mercy heals.
Careful.
Okay, back up.
Ready for this ball.
Thanks for the rocket, Demi.
Sorry. I shot it before you like.
Get him!
It's all good.
Him in behind. Shut up.
Ryan's one. Ryan one.
Ryan.
I got pinned.
I'm gonna try to clear these mines.
You can swing into it.
I'm gonna res. Then. Alright, and shields up.
The battle continues.
Fall one.
Alright.
Damn it, I can't see you.
Contact.
Yep. I
Nice.
got the mercy.
Hit me with your best stroke.
Hammond's coming behind.
Right high ground. Watch out.
Watching for
Got
shatter.
that too.
Hammond's one. Hammond's dead.
I got her
Genji.
also. Can you res me? Watch out. There's Anna.
I can't
I have bubble. I have bubble. I have bubble.
Oh my god. Rancid. I am trying hard to shield up for these bombs right now.
No, we just got point. We just take the point.
Your trans though was amazing.
Yeah,
It saved my life.
Yeah, it was so good. That was so good.
I have bubble insanity. I have bubble.
Yeah.
We already got the point. They're in front of our spawn at this point.
No one can hide
Is this the same team?
Ryan's one.
Yeah.
Ryan's one.
Yes.
Ryan. I'm one.
Hit me with your best stroke.
Oh, the fucking lady. Thank you,
Oh my
Ryan.
god, dude, I'm dead. I have grab. We can grab barrage next fight.
Alright.
Buzzing. I also have
Oh,
shatter.
shit, watch out. There's a Genji still behind.
This ball.
Ball's one.
Genji's one. Just stick with it. Go give him a kiss.
I
Keep it moving.
don't know where
Where's he
Genji is. I
Yeah,
can't
you got it.
Damage.
Alright, let's
Now see what I
we
can
grab
do.
rush. I'm gonna move up.
Bring it. Charging up.
Can I try shattering for it?
Yeah.
shatter.
Yep.
Can we get the shield? Can we destroy shield, please?
Nice shot.
I have bubble if you want to move.
Alright, bubble.
Heroes never die. Rocket barrage incoming. Sorry, Reinhardt.
I do not have trans.
I'm sticking to that. I'm up.
I'm gonna res Widow.
Alright, and they also
They have a
swapped to
widow on the
Widow.
right.
Watch
There's a
it.
widow on the right. Watch out.
Okay.
Got the run up.
Genji's mega. Genji's mega.
Oh, Ash is gone camping.
Alright, you
Or
ready?
sorry,
You
Widow.
ready? I'm gonna grab.
No.
I am shattered behind you guys. I died again.
No heals. No heals.
What?
Heals.
I can't. Like, oh no, everybody's dead.
Everybody's dead. Watch out. Widow is gone camping. The last time I could know. Watch sight lines.
Just like in training.
I'm shattered for this fight.
Genji's left side.
No one can hide from my sight.
Widow's still right. Watch out. Watch out.
She's moving.
Alright, I need that shield down for shatter
Got her.
again. Widow's dead.
Ball left.
Hammond.
They're gonna res Widow.
No, they're not.
I'm pinned.
Run one.
Guys following me. Genji behind. Widow.
What? That was a good sleep. Oh my god.
Man, you gotta let me know when you're gonna do that.
You're covered.
Genji's behind. Shatter.
I'm not gonna.
Genji's one.
Widow main.
I'm not gonna trans that.
Oh, huge res.
Back in the fight.
You guys are in.
I'm purple. Watch
Widow's
out.
top right.
I'm trying not to be purple anymore.
You're fine. I feel on you. Hammond's behind.
I pushed Widow down.
You guys are
Can you
in
bubble me?
again.
Can you bubble me in a second?
Never die.
No, 5. Give me 5.
Too late. Sorry.
Watch Genji behind.
Mercy's resing.
Genji behind.
Genji half. Got Genji.
Widow's behind us.
Right mark. I'm
I'm pinned.
shattered.
Your best shot.
Resing. Ryan.
This is not your time.
I'm up.
Remember, she's
Hammond half on cart.
can hide from my sight. Contact.
Okay, just Genji behind.
We win.
Nice.
We finished.
So they like C9.
Genji tried to get away.
Score 3.
Dude, they were not protecting their supports. I would just come up behind and be like, boop, boop, boop.
Prepare your defenses. Select your hero.
So I could maybe play Diva here to peel for our Zen.
Or on a brig.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
I think we could go on a break and that'll be great.
What are we gonna do?
Anna Ambrig?
Yeah.
What are we gonna do when they blade?
What? We have Anna
Blink
break
their head.
Mercury.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just click their head, forehead.
I'm just gonna be like, whoa there.
I also don't mind doing Zen if we want to do Mercy Zen again.
Okay. No, I mean, I like Anna break.
Okay, I'm okay with that.
Together, we are
Wait, how did we do with this defense? Did it work before, or did we get Simo? We had to go 3 support.
It's an
huh?
honor fighting.
Yeah, yeah. But we're ready for it now, though. Like we didn't know.
Charmer.
I don't know.
All right, I'll swap Lucio.
Attackers incoming in 30 seconds.
Yeah, alright.
Don't worry, my friends. I am your shield.
Hey Demi, who's got the heavy gun now?
Hey, that's you, dude. Oh, you got the emote, dude. Oh shit.
We're holding right over here.
2.
Yeah, on the right.
Holding right.
On the right.
On the right.
Attackers incoming. Defend objective A.
I will get us home safe.
Yeah, they have
Yeah,
that
we got that
Genji.
Genji.
gun.
Fire strike going.
They also have a Hanzo Genji.
Bring it. Don't be shy. Hit
Okay,
me.
watch out peeking then.
Careful, shield's low, shield's low.
Watch your peeks.
Thanks.
Oh, I got slept. I got booped.
Oh man, I missed the charge. I'm low, I'm gonna die.
No, you're not.
Ball on point. He's right side.
Get behind me.
The Moira is like just doing her
Oh!
Oh, what? What the
Careful.
fuck?
I got booped off. I got booped.
I'm gonna heal. I'm gonna cool down.
Anna's on the right.
Behind you, behind you.
I'm
Behind
sleeping.
you.
I'm sleeping.
On the left, everyone on the left. There's a ton of squishes on the left.
Can't see your brig, sorry.
Alright. There's too many people there.
Genji up top. Alright, I think we lost this fight, guys.
Fuck. He deflected.
Yeah, we lost this fight.
What happened?
Hanzo got a cheeky headshot.
Alright,
on
and
her.
shield's going down, shield's going down. This Hanzo is gonna destroy my shield.
Well, and they were like crossfiring.
Alright, I'm gonna go, when I die, I'm gonna go Lucio.
Oh, come here, brig. I need
They're
those.
on Genji
Need that.
Girl, the Mahal.
We're down one
Where are
right
you?
now. We're down our
Careful,
Hanzo.
careful.
Shield's taking damage.
Face me.
Hanzo top right.
Top.
He's on the turret.
I'm gonna have to switch to Monkey with all these, like the Hanzo and stuff. And the Genji.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, I need to
Yeah,
switch.
we can make switches.
I'm switching.
Hanzo's in here on the right. Watch out.
Hold up.
I have grab. We could grab dragon, and then I'll switch.
What are you gonna switch to? Oh,
Diva.
dive. Okay.
I'm gonna have to go Genji.
Where's
This
that at?
Hanzo's too unreal.
Can you give me a bubble real quick?
Yeah.
Ready?
Hold on. No.
Go. Oh, fuck.
No,
I'm
it's
ready with
coming out,
Dragon.
it's
I'm ready.
All right. It's on cart. It's on cart.
Oh,
Did we get anybody?
Down there. Hanzo.
Hanzo one.
Where?
Behind cart. He's being healed.
Girl, the Mahal.
Okay, I'm going Diva.
okay, this is not working.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna swap Lucio.
Do we want Mercy Zen?
My way to win.
I think we just stick with this, unless we want Zen.
The blade, yeah, the blade is.
Hey, go
Too much.
Zen instead of Anna. We're good.
Genji's going left. He was trying to come around behind us.
Let's go get him.
He's gonna blade.
Ball's
Whoa,
going left.
Ball
Ball going
and
left.
Hanzo.
Hammer's coming behind us too.
Yeah,
Purple.
you're purple, you're purple.
Yeah, back now.
Him in behind.
Get through this.
He's one.
Got him.
On a half on the right.
Rampage position. Chasing Ana. Going after Genji. Genji's one. Genji's dead.
Shoot you down.
Get out of that, get out of that.
Get out of that.
Time to raise
Get out of that, sorry.
PM.
Oh, that got me.
shit. Watch out, watch out. Speeding.
Oh god.
Oh, that
Run
was
on me.
I got him.
That was such a bad.
Maybe
sleeping.
I think we need a Sombra for this fucking Hammond.
That'd be good.
Let me beat and then I'll go May. How about that?
I'm trying to stun him.
What?
Yeah.
Get through this.
Random ass
Up for
charge.
rally.
Rally to me.
We gotta stall this card.
I'm going.
Almost got trans.
I'm on cart, I'm purple.
Genji behind. Genji one. Genji tickle. Right behind the card.
Alright, ball.
Don't let him out.
Where did Genji go? I think he's still back here.
I didn't see him.
Yep, he is.
I hear.
Han's on the left. He's trying to get a headshot in that left room.
Okay,
Right
watch out.
there
Don't
now.
peek it. Yep, I see him.
Defense matrix activated.
Going for Ana in the back by herself.
Oh, you're, get up.
You gotta get out.
Suiting up.
This will heal you. Try to get.
Come on. I'm back in the
You
fight.
gotta wait until you got DM behind you for that.
I'm on Hanzo. Hanzo half. Hanzo's being.
I have trans. Get out of that.
Where's it?
It's on cart.
I need healing.
Time to raise my APM.
Run one. Ana in the back.
Genji
On
one.
the right.
I'm trying to go for this Ana here. Ana's dead.
Get this.
Careful when they're spawned.
Nice.
Back up, guys.
Oh, we should have staggered her.
We did. It was enough.
Okay, alright.
Back up late.
She just stood there and took the beating.
Hanzo on the right by himself.
Okay, go.
Oh, there's Ana there. Hanzo's gonna die. One die. He's one. Oh my god, he got healed. He's still one.
Okay,
Alright.
we got him.
Got him.
Don't go too far.
Nice call.
Yeah, careful.
Get out. Back
Rally.
up.
Group up for rally.
Group up for rally.
Rally.
They're all coming
I
right.
think he has shatter.
I'm on Ana in the back. She has no nade. Ana one, Ana dead. Ryan on me, Ryan low.
I need help.
I can't, I got Ryan on me.
Oh, fuck, he's gonna bleed now. God.
60 seconds remaining.
We can stall with Primal.
I'm back in the game.
Yeah, I'm gonna. Careful.
I can stall with trans.
No. Stall with Primal first.
Get out there.
I'm going. I'm on it. I'm on cart. I'm on it. Hanzo one.
Moira, one.
Ana right. Ana on the right. Ana behind. I'm on Ana.
PM.
I'm on Moira.
Oh, I had beat. Fuck, I just got beat.
Ana's one. She's being healed by Moira. We gotta get these healers.
I'm gonna get out there with trans.
Yeah, I'm dead here.
Right ahead.
Cart.
I can't.
Get Ana.
Anna's half. I'm dead.
Musta on.
Get them into overtime. 4 seconds.
Genji.
They're in overtime.
I ate it. Hanzo low. Oh,
I'm dead.
Cart. Anna's. I'm sleeping.
Yeah, I couldn't get on.
Complete.
We got him into overtime.
Yeah, we have 1 minute, they have nothing. They can't beat us. No matter what, we don't lose.
3-3. Switching sides.
Goats!
Yes.
Or,
Prepare to
Every time we run goats, we get shit on.
well, I meant 3
Just
kills.
a heads up.
I don't want you to, you don't have to
Okay.
run it.
No
You-
goats. No
We run
goats.
DPS, but we run Ryan Zarya triple support.
Sounds-
There we go.
You want Anna Brig?
I would like Ana Brig or Zen Brig.
I like the Ana Brig.
Yeah, their nades
Together, we are strong.
are hurting.
We're not gonna get a Zen ult anyway, unless you're like clicking
like
everybody and then we're
Dear
winning
God.
anyway. So if you're clicking everybody and we're winning anyway, so it doesn't matter.
Attack commences in 30 seconds.
Just need one tick, right?
Just one tick.
I like this too. If they run cheese, I can sleep the cheese.
Yo, do you guys want to go right side and go behind them and come out that
No, we
way?
don't have time.
No.
It takes too long. We don't have
Alright,
time.
alright.
I just remember the last time we tried that, and it was.
You mean the first time?
I think
It's
we
the
should.
only time.
I think we should split them though. Like we should go like half go
We're not
left and
trying
half go
anything
right.
new
No,
in
no,
1 minute.
We're just gonna run them over. This comp is to run them over.
Okay,
And
alright. Alright.
Commencing.
Yeah, you love doing like new shit. Like
Yeah, oh, we gotta do shit right now. We got 1 minute, guys.
They have the May wrecking ball,
Okay, what, careful,
so
careful.
they're gonna jump on
Going
our
left,
widow.
going left,
I'm
going
gonna
left,
speed.
around the statue. Going left, around the
speeding,
statue.
ready,
Careful
go.
with this May. Speeding, point.
Got the Moira, got the
Bubble,
Moira.
bubble, swing.
They're all-
Reaper on me, Reaper on me.
Shit, I can't.
Reaper's behind.
Ryan's
Sleep.
one. Ryan's dead.
Ryan's dead.
Bubble in two,
Point.
bubble in two.
Get this
I'm on
all
Reaper.
in.
No,
Back
Reaper.
point.
Reaper one.
Trying to get
Everyone.
rid
All right, May. I'm on ball low,
Ball
low.
purple.
of- Ball. Ball.
I'm under attack.
Moira.
Where's next?
No fade. She's on point to the right.
Keep going.
Ryan coming in.
Getting there.
Nice move, dude.
Nice. Nice.
Told
That
you.
was so beautiful.
We
my
don't need
guy.
that fancy shit, dude.
Yeah, he's like trying to
Yeah,
do
yeah,
shit
you're right.
in 1 minute. Really? Let's do shit we know in 1 minute.
Of the game.
Jeez.
Damn, we beat him twice.
Yeah.
They're a good team to if they're an actual team, can we put one of them to scrim against?
Oh, wait, no. But we're obviously better, so why would we scrim against them?
So we can feel better about ourselves.
We just did.
We beat them twice. Let's scrim against them.
Yeah.
What?
Fine.
Let's